Mr. Jacob Fee. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen. I'm just going to go over the car loan assignment real quick. Okay, I know using Excel can be a little bit difficult. Okay, so basically here's your car loan assignment here. Just click on it. Okay, and you want to download it. Sorry. Comes to here. Here's the car loan exercise. So I'm just going to click on this out of the way. I want to click on download. Okay. So again, this is my second crack at it. I'm just going to click on it and I'm just going to click on show in my folder. Okay. Cut it. Put it in my OneDrive folder so everything saves properly. Okay. Paste. Yeah, I'm going to. All right. So I'm going to open this up. Okay. Notice how this is all blank. So number of payments, it's just my term times my monthly payments. Okay. My interest rate is 7%, so I put 0.7. This is the amount of my new car. Okay. So I'm just going to go type in equals. Okay, 5 times 12, which is 60. But if you want to multiply it through, do that. Now to calculate your payments, you go equals PMT. PMT bracket my interest rate. But interest rate is done in years. So I divide that by 12 months. Okay. So that's what your interest rate looks like, comma, number of payments, which is 60. So I click on the 60, comma, and then for my present value, I have to use a negative and then click on my 35,000. It's kind of something that doesn't work well in Excel. So you have to do negative times your principal, and then you use your principal amount, and it should spit out an amount here. So this is how much it would cost me to borrow, okay, for 35,000 over 5 years on interest rate 7%. This would be my payment amount. Term, it's going to start at 1. Now my beginning balance is going to be 35,000. Okay. My payment amount is always going to be this amount. So I hit F4. And what this do is absolute cell references it. So when I drag it down, fill it down, it will always use the calculated payment amount. Okay. Now, in order to find my interest rate, my interest payment, I click on my balance times my interest rate divided by my number of months. Okay. Now, in order to drag it down properly, I need to use F4. So I always use this. Always use these cells. Okay. So it should look something like this. Okay. So then I hit enter and I'm just going to decrease my decimal. Okay. My principal payment is my payment minus my interest. Okay. Extra payment. For right now, I'm just going to leave this at 0. Okay. I'll show you how to use this tomorrow. So again, I'm just going to equals. And I'm going to click on this cell, but I'm going to absolute cell reference it by hitting F4. Okay. So again, this cell, F4, the total off my principal is this amount plus my extra payment. Okay. My ending balance is my 35,000 minus my total off principal. Okay. And then this balance here will be my beginning balance of my second term. Okay. And okay. In order to fill my term down, I'm just going to type in equals this cell plus 1. And then I'm going to drag this down all the way to 60. All right. And then I should be able to just drag everything down to 60. And by the end, everything should be at a payment period of 60, it should be 0. Okay, so just have faith and drag it down. Principle. Balance. All right, so notice how this is 0. I've done it properly, okay? And for tomorrow, we'll talk about adding an extra payment and copying sheets. So this should be enough to get you started. Till tomorrow.